Hi, my name is Nicholas Castillo Marin. I'm a first year and I lived in Leverett House. My intended concentration is computer science. This is my CS project and it's called Similar Finder. First, I'm prompted with this login page, and since I don't have a login, I should make one first. Username, my password, I use that to log in. So once I'm in this page, I have the artist header and the movie header, and I have all these buttons: add artist, add movie, and delete movie. So I'm add an artist, like Puka. So it shows the original artist and then 5 similar artists in the same table. Then let's say I want to add another one, Pablo, add it, then comes right under. So let's say I want to add a movie, I can go and add a movie, tenant, and then I can add that movie. If I now want to delete an artist, I don't want to see Kuko anymore, I can go to the delete artist tab. Then I have a drop down menu, I can select Kuko, click delete, and then he's gone. I don't want to see tenant anymore, I go to delete movie, tenant, delete. And then once I'm done using the service, I can just log out, take me back to here. Okay, that was my CS project for CS50.